When I started trading 8 years ago, I thought the more indicators I used, the smarter I'd look. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. I had so many lines on my screen I could barely see the price. Spoiler, I looked like an idiot. Here's the thing, indicators are like crutches. If your leg's broken, they're genius. But if you're just walking down the street, you look ridiculous. And no, adding 17 moving averages won't make you a trading wizard. Trust me, I've got the margin calls to prove it. But one day I met a trader who only used, you guessed it, price action. No indicators, just raw candlesticks. I thought he was a caveman. But then he showed me his stats. Turns out, the guy had been profitable for years. Meanwhile, I was over here arguing with Fibonacci retracements at 2 a.m. That's when it hit me. Indicators don't trade. You trade. They're just tools. A hammer's useless unless you know how to swing it. And sure, RSI can tell you if a stock's oversold, but it can't tell you why. That's your job. After 8 years, here's what I actually use. One moving average. This is to see the mood of the market. Volume, to spot if the big players are lurking. And my damn eyeballs to read price action. Because duh.
Actually, that one's really good. Shit, I may use that.
That's it. No rainbow-colored chaos. No algorithm predicting the apocalypse. Look, if you love your MACD crossover, keep it. But don't let it drown out the story the market's telling you. The best traders I know, some use 10 indicators. Some use 0. The only thing they all do? Listen to the price first. The end. Go be stupid in whatever way works for you.
Mày